In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix name conflict in Excel. If you work with multiple spreadsheets, you may run into a common problem when you copy sheets between workbooks. Excel might notice that a name already exists in the destination file, and it can treat the incoming items as conflicting. One practical way to handle this is to make a copy of the worksheet instead of moving it directly, which helps you avoid the name clash behavior that can happen during a move. To begin, you will right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom of your screen. Take a moment to look at the bottom area where the tabs are listed, such as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. These are the tabs you use to switch between different worksheets. Right-click the tab of the sheet that contains the content you want to bring into the other workbook. This opens a menu with worksheet options. Pay attention to the menu that appears, because you will choose a command from there in the next moment. Next, from the context menu, click Move or Copy. This option is the control Excel provides for transferring a sheet to a different workbook. When you select Move or Copy, Excel opens a dialog box. This dialog is where you choose the destination workbook and decide how Excel should handle the sheet transfer. If you do not see the correct option in the menu, click back on the Sheet tab and try right-clicking again, making sure you are selecting the tab itself and not the worksheet area. Now that the Move or Copy dialog box is open, you will select the target workbook from the To Book drop-down list. This drop-down shows the workbooks that Excel can see right now. Choose the workbook where you want the sheet to go. Take a moment to confirm you selected the right destination file, especially if you have multiple workbooks open at the same time. Choosing the correct To Book is important because Excel will copy or move the sheet into exactly the workbook you specify there. After you have selected the correct target workbook, you will check the Create a Copy box. This is a key detail for avoiding the name conflict issue that can occur when you move sheets instead of copying them. By creating a copy, Excel duplicates the worksheet within the destination workbook rather than relocating the original sheet. This approach can reduce the chance that Excel will attempt to reconcile conflicting named elements in a way that causes errors or unexpected changes. Look for the Create a Copy checkbox inside the dialog box and make sure there is a tick mark in the box. Once you have checked Create a Copy, click OK. With this confirmation, Excel completes the action and inserts the worksheet into the destination workbook as a duplicate. After you click OK, you may notice the destination workbook updates to include the New Sheet tab. Switch to the other workbook if needed, then check that the new sheet appears and that its content is present. If you previously encountered a name conflict, this copy-based workflow is often the cleanest solution because it separates the destination from the original sheet structure. Finally, take a quick moment to review what you moved. You do not need to change anything immediately, but it is a good idea to verify that the copied sheet behaves as expected in the destination file. If your goal was to prevent errors caused by conflicting names, confirming that the worksheet loads correctly helps you know the fix worked. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.